Is YouTube fam, Kurt here, back at it with another video. So today I'm just gonna drop a little mindless vid for you guys because people keep asking me. I swear I already dropped this vid, but you know, I've done more to the Z since then and I've got a lot of new stuff. So shout out to y'all, shout out to all the new subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all. So we're gonna get right into this video, y'all. Let's get it.
I just got my guap. I just got my guap. I just got my guap. I just got my guap.
First things first is we got the Nismo bumpers, the front bumpers. We got the front bumper, and then we have the rear bumper back here. I think both of these cost around $2,500, and I got these from Z1, and it pretty much came with everything you needed to put them on, like all the hardware, etc. So yeah, these I didn't get from a specific website. I got these from the Facebook groups. If you guys aren't in the Facebook groups, you really should try to get in there because there is a lot of deals in the Facebook groups. Next up is the Apr Front Splitter. It's carbon fiber. I got that from, I'm not actually sure what website I got this from, but if you guys look up Apr Front Splitter for like a 2015 plus Nismo, you'll be able to find it. I think I spent about $400 on this, but like I wrecked a set of rods and then I bought another set of rods for like $80, and then those were too short, so then I bought another set of rods for another $80, so that started adding up really quickly. People ask me about the side mirrors. They're just covers. I got these from Evo R, and you see these little Nismo stripes, they're OEM. I got those from Z1 also. So the mirror covers were, I think, $180, and then the stripes together for both sides were about $140, I'm pretty sure, just for this little stupid red stripe that pretty much does nothing. It just looks good, and it's Nismo, so you know they try to mark everything up. We got the carbon side skirts. A lot of people have been asking about these, so pretty much I got these for maybe $400, and I got them from a website called Evo R. Evo R has like a whole bunch of carbon stuff, so if you guys are trying to get carbon for your Z, I would definitely look at Evo R. Now that we're down here, I'm gonna go over my brand stickers. So my brand stickers, these are pretty much all custom made. I got these from a website called carstickers.com, and I pretty much just gave them the designs and told them to black it out, and that's what they did because that's my color scheme pretty much. So I think those cost around $200 just for some stickers. So yeah. Like to ask me about my hood. My hood I got from a person named Jeff. You can hit him up on Instagram at Jeff350Z, and that's pretty much. But if you guys need help getting in contact with him to get a hood, like I can definitely hook you guys up, because Jeff has helped me a lot with my build personally. So this is the VIS AMS carbon fiber hood. I'm pretty sure this runs for about $1,000, but Jeff he'll give you deals on it. So yeah, this one runs for about $1,000. People also ask me about this. This is a carbon Type 3 duck bill from Fly One Motorsports, I'm pretty sure. This cost me like $700 plus shipping, but I'm not gonna like add my shipping costs into it or anything, so I just say I paid like $700 for this. Yeah, but you guys, a lot of people always ask me like, how's the fitment, how's this, how's that. So like going into this right here, I thought the fitment was gonna be pretty good. You know, I try to line up the holes really well and blah 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 like everybody else, but we ended up having to drill our own holes. The fitment wasn't the best, but like it's nothing like to stray away from purchasing it. Quality's still pretty dope. It's really nice spoiler, but you might have to do some work on it. You know, I mean by that, like drilling your own holes and like figuring some stuff out, but it's nothing like too bad. You guys can get this at fly1motorsports.com. That's where I got mine. Next up is the rear fog light. You know, this is just like something I wanted because it was empty before I got this. This was about, I think, $100, and I got it from z1motorsports.com. So if you have a Z or Infinity or anything and you don't know what Z1 is, like, I don't know, you have to rethink your life. Z1 is pretty much a one-stop shop for every Z, like Infinity, GTR need you have. So make sure you guys look into Z1 if you guys don't know much about Z1 already. And yeah. Next up, we have the Akebono Brakes. I mean, this was pretty much the cheapest mod I have right now. This cost me maybe around like $30 to paint the calipers, and I basically got all the stuff you need from Amazon. So I mean, it was pretty cheap, but it's well worth it because my calipers, they used to be black, but now they're red. They're really dope. I like them. Next up, we got the wheels as a whole. You can get these from Z1. Also, they cost about $1,800. The center caps, these Nismo center caps, they cost about $108. And this gram light sticker, you know, just a little add-on, costs about $40. So you can get the gram light sticker from 86speed.com. You can get this Nismo center cap from Z1 Motorsports once again. So for the tires, it's running Federal RSRRs right now. If you guys want a vid on just how like these handle as a whole, I can drop that vid for you guys. But I'm running 245s in the front, but they fit kind of big, and I'm running 275s in the back. Total these cost around $600. I'm pretty sure $600 or $700. So there you guys go. Also, the windshields are tinted. The front is 35%. The sides are 15%. And yeah, you can tell it's pretty dark. Also, the appearance is done. We can talk about performance. So for the catback, I'm running a Tomei, you know, Extreme TI. It's paired with the ISR Y pipe. The ISR Y pipe was around $225. The Tomei catback was about $1,000, I'm pretty sure. So that's not bad at all. But like, if I could go back and change exhaust, I would probably get a Motordyne. But the reason why I didn't get a Motordyne is because, as you guys seen in like a previous vid, my homie has a Motordyne. We both have the same engine, so why get the same exhaust? You know, when we can like test, we can test to see the difference between them because we pretty much have the same engine. So that's why I decided to go with the Tomei. Plus, they make much more power than the Motordyne, and eventually I'm gonna boost it. So a lot of that rasp and stuff is gonna go away. It should probably sound pretty good. So yeah, that's the Tomei. If you guys look right down there, you can see it does have headers. It has PPE long tubes. PPE long tubes retail for like 2.2K. They come ceramic coated and a whole bunch of other stuff, but I think I got mines in the group for 1.5K. So that's not bad at all. Like, that's why you guys need to look in the groups. Like, you'll get deals on deals on deals. And also, while we're up here, the Z does have a ported manifold, but I had a buddy do it and he did it for like 50 bucks, so that's not bad at all. And yeah guys, so that's the headers, 1.5K. I mean, you guys can just look these up. You can get them for from a variety of places. And if you guys want a ported manifold, you can get AMS one. I think I've heard a Motordyne one or a Z1 one. But if I did have to buy one, I'd probably get a Z1 one because, you know, I just like Z1. So yeah guys, Z1 is always a good option if you want a ported manifold. Here's, I'd say they're about 2K because I paid $500 to get them installed. And the crazy part is, guys, like, I did half the headers myself. So I did this whole side myself, and then this side over here was just a pain. So I ended up getting it towed to the shop and having them finish it. So the headers total was about $2,000 plus the labor to install it. So yeah. Next up, guys, we have admin intakes. You know, they're not on the car yet because like I have too many bolt-ons already, so if I put these on, they won't start. So these range around $640 US. They're 3-inch intakes. They go up into the front of the bumper. So yeah, I purchased admin intakes, you know, because the reason why I'm going full bolt-on is because I pretty much just want to see every stage of my car. Like, I thought about just jumping to boost and then like just being bored and like saving for a long time, but I was just like, nah, that's not for me. So I decided to go full bolt-on just to like keep some of the boredom away while I save for boost. But yeah, so pretty much my setup is pretty much based around an air-to-air supercharger. So eventually what I will decide to do is probably get the new Top Gun's air-to-air supercharger kit to stack with the headers and the cat bag, and it's gonna make a lot of power. But if I ever do decide to go back to a turbo, I'll have to sell like my headers and my intakes and a whole bunch of other stuff I just don't really want to do with. So it's gonna be basically just whatever I decide to do. This from the administration.com, or you can hit myself up on Instagram at the administration and he'll hook you up with a set of admin intakes. Overall, that is pretty much it for my Z. You know, there's probably a lot of other little stuff that I didn't really mention, but you know, I just wanted to really focus on the big stuff. And plus, this is probably gonna get tuned soon, within the next like 3 weeks or so. So it'll probably end up with another 1,000 to the list just to get it tuned. So with that being said, guys, I'll give you guys a full walk around and we'll call that that. That being said, guys, this should pretty much wrap up the video. I'm sorry I'm not a TJ Hunt yet or Dustin Williams. I can't do everything super fast, you know. I'm only 19, so I mean, I'm just trying to do as much as I can in the time period I can. So more mods are coming probably. I might do some interior mods, I'm not sure yet, but I think the main focus next for this car is to make it fast, because you know, I think it's going to be quick full bolt-on, but these cars don't really get fast until you get them into boost. Then when you get them into boost, then they start being a lot of stuff. And you know, I'm not the type to like build a car and not actually like race it. I'm actually gonna push my car, so it's definitely not a show car. I might get some coilovers because you know it still has a little gap, but I mean it still scrapes on a lot right now, so that's why I haven't dropped it yet. So I'm kind of debating on if I want to drop it in the next month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure you guys see, like, let me know what videos you guys want to see with the Z, or what you guys want to see, Q&As, whatever, and I'll try to do it for you guys. And that's just mods, so that's like nothing that's gone wrong, like things I've had to double take, etc. So that's just the mods itself is 13,863, and air supercharger kit is gonna be like 5K, 6K with tuning, you know, probably anywhere from 6 to 7K. So I mean, that's where I'm at right now. I want to finish it, I want to make it fast, but I just gotta take my time. With that being said, y'all, I'm out.
I just got my guap. Ayy, bought the whole store, bitch. Fucking Supreme pop up. Came up off the drugs, now I'm turning my whole block up. I don't know that fucking pussy boy, he an imposter. Shoot that nigga in this fucking head, transition pasta. I don't rock with snakes, so I don't rock with fakes, so pull up in a